Hey guys, John Kenney here from the Blue Collar Barber. Today we're going to show you how to use a valuable yet often neglected tool for your hair, the hair dryer, a barber's secret weapon. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to Cremo's YouTube channel below for more grooming tips. Your hair generally falls in a certain direction through years of styling or brushing. No matter how good a grooming product is, your hair is programmed to act a certain way. And if you don't tackle this issue head on, your hair is certain to go back to its normal routine, which is fine if you like the way your hair has always been, but less great if you're trying to achieve a new look. When your hair is damp, it can be set in a new direction, making it possible to create new looks and styles that were never open to you before. Hold the hair dryer at least 6 inches from your hair, and this will keep you from burning the cuticle, as well as giving you room and space to direct your hair in the desired form. Using a hair dryer for too long will damage your hair. Limit the heat to medium setting, and make sure you're not spending too long on certain sections. A short hairstyle won't take too long to dry, so set the shape and direction you want your hair to go, and once you achieve that, stop. Before you begin, know the style you want and stick to it. Don't just use a hair dryer in a haphazard way, or you'll end up looking like you've just gotten out of bed. Give it some purpose. You want your hair to lay flatter? Just use the blow dryer and aim downwards in that area. If you'd like more volume, get the hair and aim upwards from root to tip. So once you have the general direction and look that you want for your hair, it's time to use the cool setting on the blow dryer. A blast of cool will set the hair in place by closing the cuticle, almost like freezing the hair into place. It also creates a lot of shine. Now that your hair is roughly in place, your style is almost complete. Finish off with a Cremo hairstyling product of your choice for extra hold, shine, or a matte finish. Make sure to fully emulsify the product into your palm and apply the product from root to tip. And there you have it, a whole new look with a little help from the hair dryer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to Cremo's YouTube channel for more grooming tips, new product announcements, and fun giveaways. We'll see you later, and stay handsome.